Hello and welcome to Vastex International. We've been designing and building industrial equipment for over 60 years, and everything you're about to see happens under this one roof in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. From raw metal coming in the door to finished production-ready machines shipping worldwide, our facility is built to handle the entire manufacturing process in-house. Let's take a closer look at how we turn steel into machines you can rely on. Our process begins with sheet steel, bar, and tube stock, carefully selected to meet the structural and performance demand of industrial-grade equipment. Using precision punching, cutting, and forming equipment, we create highly accurate components that serve as the foundation for every machine we build. From there, parts are bent and formed using CNC press brakes, ensuring repeatable accuracy and tight tolerances across every production run. In our welding department, MIG, TIG, and spot welding are used to produce strong, durable assemblies designed to withstand years of demanding production environments. Once fabricated, components move into our powder coating operation, where they get an acid bath before receiving a durable, professional finish that protects against wear, corrosion, and heat. Finished parts are brought to our assembly floor, where we build the equipment from the ground up, combining mechanical and electrical systems into complete production-ready machines. Electrical components are wired and tested in-house, allowing us to maintain quality control while supporting custom configurations and specialized control requirements. Before shipping, every machine is inspected and tested to ensure it meets our strict performance standards, the same standards trusted by manufacturers worldwide. Once approved, equipment is carefully packed and shipped directly from our ISPM certified facility to customers across the globe. From raw metal to finished machines, Vastex International delivers precision manufacturing, complete control, and proven reliability, fabricated and built in the USA. After more than 60 years, we're still focused on getting the details right, providing excellent customer service, and building equipment we're proud of. This is what building machines looks like here. Real people, real processes, and decades of experience behind every decision. Thanks for taking a look inside Vastex International.